big earnings report tomorrow. Nvidia. That's right. And we're going to talk about it because this one is setting up really great. Not necessarily, I can't guarantee any earning plays. No, that's gambling, man. That's gambling. But what we can talk about is the future direction of Nvidia. Let's take it out. Yo probably was like, why is he? I was kind of like, let's go to the charts. All right, here is the chart of Nvidia. This video is going to be quick. I'm going to make this quick because even you could see what's going on here. Nvidia definitely pointing towards the upside, right? So looking at the weekly, you can see how it's just going up in this consolidation area right here. This is the beauty of the chart Nvidia. Let me just show you what's happening here. Because here on Dre Trades, we love sideways action. And you can see how it's just been going sideways for damn near over a year. Let me see. When did it start sideways? August last year. So almost a year we've been in consolidation. Now I want to clear out that consolidation box real quick. And I want you to focus right here on my moving averages, okay? In this part, right? That is the 9 period and that is the 20 period. And look how we are starting to see the separation. Now let me go back so you can see what's going on. And you can see how it's tight right here, right? Maybe I can highlight that. You see the separation and then you can see the run, right? Pull back. Oh, man, it's the pullback. Everything pull back here, right? So we can't count this. That's the COVID low. And then separation, and you could just see how the stock price, the price action is above the fast average and above the slow average, right? And then consolidation for a year, and the moving averages are separating again. And for the most part, this is what is really exciting me right there. This is like one of my biggest trading signals, and this is why I actually had those averages on there. I love the consolidation when they compress, but when they start separating like that, it's time to jump on board, and that's what I like about Nvidia. Now let's go back to the charts and let me show you what the monthly looks like. All right, let's switch over to the monthly, and when you look at that, let me get rid of my drawing. You kind of say, wow, man, that thing is pretty steep. It's pretty steep, but I'm gonna bring in the area to where it started running, right? Because it was mostly flat from 2014 on over. So here we go. See, it doesn't look as steep, right? So we have the run. Oh man, I'm telling you, I got to work on my drawings. So we had the run right here, consolidation. Now we had the dip. That's the COVID low. So, but that's the consolidation area because if this thing, well, we don't know. So I don't even want to speculate. But there's your consolidation. Right, that was a year and a half, right, before it to get back above pre-COVID, and then you got the run, and then we got the consolidation again. And look how when the consolidation period has brought it right to the moving average, right there, right? So let me clear this all out again, clear the drawing set, and you can see how we up, sideways, and look how it's going to touch that fast moving average, and then generally that's when we start to head higher. Another thing that's exciting about Nvidia is this consolidation area once again, and when you look at the volume, look how the volume is just diminished compared to the volume that's been going on like forever for the whole run. That's exactly what you need. That is the play, right? So there's no sellers, man. They're just waiting. This stock is just resting and is ready for new buyers to jump on. It's just ready. It's ready to run, and maybe earnings will kick it off. Now, if you haven't heard that Nvidia is already saying they split in 4-1, which means absolutely nothing. But in this market, it means something for whatever reason. You see what happened to Apple. You see what happened to Tesla on their splits. So Nvidia is 4-1, and ever since that announcement, it's been kind of running. Can the run continue with a great earnings report? We'll find out. Even if earnings suck, right? If this sucks and it brings the stock down, I still like it as a buy for the upside. Now, my trades, I got the I'm long call on this one, man. I'm way out there with the leaps. I sold the 820, 840, had it for damn near a year. And it's a good thing I did the verticals because I'm losing nothing. I just need this stock to start going higher so I can make some money on that spread. One more thing I want to show you, and let's look at the charts. Okay, if we zoom in here, actually there's two things. We got the put call ratio is 0.56. It's almost 2 to 1 on the calls, right? Almost 2 to 1. There's 52,700 calls being traded versus 29,733 puts. Also, when we look at the volatility for, this is the option that expires on Friday, May 28th, 21. It's 3 days left. And if you come over here, the volatility is 61% on this option chain. But this is the expected move, not necessarily tomorrow. This is the expected move by Friday. When these options close from this price right now, $623, it's expecting to move up or down $31. So let me just do the math. 632. I know I should be able to do this in my head. Plus 31.83. Basically, they are projecting that the stock by Friday will be trading at $663. Let's hope they're right? Because then my options will start increasing in value. And I got other plays as well. I mean, I'm selling put spreads out there. I'm really deep. I've been heavy in Nvidia. And if you go back to my past videos, you can see all the Nvidia videos I was doing. But I tell you what, the consolidation over the year hasn't been doing anything. But what has been helping is the put spread I've been selling, because who cares what it does? Because I'm selling those puts below the price action, and hopefully it could stay here or go up, and I'm still gonna make money in there. But the big trade I have on is those 820, 840s. Not necessarily my go-to trade, but for some reason when it was running, I just thought it was gonna keep running, so I just went way out there and sold a call spread that had plenty of time, which is on my side, and just 20 points wide, and I sold a lot of them. So I needed to go up there by the next couple of years. Hopefully it can do that. So anyway, there's the video. Nvidia, I love it. I love the chart, man. Let's look at it one more time. Yeah, we'll close out looking at the chart, and you're looking at the monthly, right? See what's happening here. You can see the bounce, right? If you look at the consolidation, you can even see it. Just see that, right? Starting to blow out. Now, we had some fake outs. We had a fake out here. Because remember, before this point right here, let me clear this out, right? Before that happened and then the sell-off, we was right here was the box, right? So we had the fake out, and then it went all the way to the bottom of the range. I mean, this one hurt. I thought we was off to the races, but that only lasted a month, and then we came right back up with a higher high even, right? A higher high. So I'm like, all right, yeah. Anyway, so we wind up closing out of the box, and then now look, we're heading higher, and we got wind on our back with the 4-for-1 split, and let's hope they say some good things tomorrow. Anyway, so we'll end the video right here without you seeing my face. Thanks for watching, everybody. Tell me what you think about Nvidia. Hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, Dre Trades, and right here. Thanks for watching. Peace.